After a very active severe weather pattern across the U.S. to start the month of May, a major pattern shift is ahead starting this weekend and lasting much of the next 7 to 10 days. On Friday, May 10th, a severe weather risk still exists for the Carolinas for scattered strong storms later this afternoon, and for the northern Florida Peninsula and Florida Panhandle, with some storm activity remaining behind a morning complex of severe storms. As we go into the weekend, broad troughing across much of the central and eastern U.S. and a ridge over the west coast will keep much of the lower 48 relatively calm this weekend and into next week. Starting Friday, in the upper Midwest, a weak trough will bring showers and some strong storms to the Great Lakes. That trough will move through the Great Lakes through the Northeast this weekend. Another weak trough over the Four Corners will bring some isolated to scattered showers and storms to parts of Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas over the weekend. In both areas, the activity is expected to be isolated to widely scattered, so not a weekend washout for either parts of the U.S. Although some isolated severe weather can't be ruled out, the weekend also looks relatively calm for severe weather chances. By Monday, the trough over the Four Corners will eject into the plains, sparking another round of storms for the southern plains into the Mid-South and Gulf Coast. There are some indications of some heightened severe weather possibilities, but right now it does not look like a significant severe weather outbreak. Damaging winds, some large hail, and flooding will be the main threats. That low pressure system then pushes into the mid-Atlantic and Northeast by midweek with rounds of showers and storms. By late week, models hint at a stronger trough ejecting into the northern plains. That will likely bring a higher chance of severe weather in the Midwest and Ohio Valley next Friday and into the weekend, and more rain and storm chances into the Northeast over next weekend. We'll get further details on severe weather probabilities and more exact timing of that system closer to those dates. Please like and subscribe to this channel. We'll have more forecasts, updates, and live severe weather streaming coverage. As we near the peak of severe weather season, it's important to stay weather aware and have multiple ways to get warnings and updates.